Thank you guys for joining me today. This evening I hope to inform you on the vast world of the cleaning products we use in our home on a daily basis, more than likely. It's springtime right now. Everybody's getting ready to go to their cupboards and get out, what? Their bleach, their Clorox, their wonderful Clorox, our Pledge, our Windex, and our Pine Sol. Of course, it smells good. It cleans our home. We trust what it says, the label, 99.9% of all household germs. So we buy it. We want to protect our family and keep it clean, right? Well, here's what they don't want you to know. These chemical products, yeah, they smell good, yeah, they may clean, but inside them lurk very bad hazardous chemicals that are actually listed on the material safety data sheet as hazardous. And all of them have known carcinogens in them, causes cancer. Not only known carcinogens in them, but they also cause asthma in almost 40% of all school-age children. So, respiratory illnesses and cancer, all right here. We use them every spring. So today, I hope to tell you what these chemicals are and give you some more alternative ways, safer, cleaner ways, non-toxic, and eco-friendly ways to clean your house. So, first chemical I'm going to talk about, they kind of come together. It's formaldehyde and something called dioxin. Now, formaldehyde, we all know what formaldehyde is. They put it on dead people to preserve them. It is a known carcinogen. And dioxin. Dioxin is actually a byproduct from bleach products. Okay? It is also a known carcinogen. These two chemicals are not regulated in the U.S. They are regulated in every other country but the U.S. Kind of funny. Not only do these two chemicals are carcinogens that cause rashes in children, and they get into our fat tissue and are stored there. So they don't just exit our system, they stay in our system. So long-term effects from formaldehyde and dioxins are potentially harmful. Excuse me. The next chemical found in almost all of these products that make them smell good is something called phthalates. Phthalates are used in all fragrances and all chemicals. Phthalates is what's responsible for the asthma in a lot of children. And not only in children, but in adult males, they cause reduced sperm count, so a lot of reproduction problems right there too. Plus, phthalates cause a lot of the allergic reactions. And if you notice, a lot of people that have asthma and allergies shy away from a lot of these cleaning products, with good reason. The next chemical we're going to talk about is called glycol ethers. Now, glycol ethers, that's the big whammy, okay? They are found in your all-purpose cleaners and your glass cleaners. These chemicals are linked to a lot of birth defects, such as neural tubal defects and a cleft palate. So a lot of pregnant women, such as me, that use glycol ethers and are exposed to them, especially in places such as bathrooms, very enclosed spaces where we use fragrances, air fresheners, and stuff to clean our floors. A lot of all-purpose chemicals going on in the bathroom and glass cleaners. We get exposed to it, and it can have harmful effects to our fetuses, which in turn cause long-term effects on the children. The next two chemicals also are kind of difold. They come together are octophenol and non-ethanol. These both are known and linked to stimulate growth of cancerous cells in breast tissues of females. Non-ethanol and the non-ethanol actually interferes with production of testosterone in males. So that again also causes another reproduction issue. Now that we've gone over a lot of the common chemicals, of course that wasn't all of them, but a lot of the common chemicals found in these, and we've gone over their potential hazards, we are going to look at some eco-friendlier ways. Healthier, nature-friendly, and safe for the whole family, and you can find them underneath your kitchen sink, no matter if your little baby has crawled into them or not, they're perfectly fine. We have your acetic acid, vinegar, we have your sodium bicarbonate, that's borax. I don't have it represented here, but you can find it in your grocery store right next to the, I think, laundry detergents actually. Next is your sodium borate. Okay, that's borax. This is your sodium bicarbonate, your baking soda. And lemon juice. And of course essential oils such as lavender, rosehip oil, grapefruit oil, peppermint oil, cinnamon. There's a wide range of them. And you can just use whichever scent you like. Now, all these chemicals right here, like I said, eco-friendly, biodegradable, safe for the whole family. You can use them just as you would these products. You can use them as all-purpose cleaners. What do you use for all-purpose cleaners? Just half and half. And the greatest thing about this, doesn't matter if you use more or less of each, doesn't matter if you add more to one or the other, they're all going to come out the same. You're not going to create some toxic chemical itself. They're all not safe and natural. So you can put half and half of water and vinegar with half and half of baking soda and water, and you got yourself an awesome all-purpose cleaner. Safe, natural. Let's look at what soda, baking soda does as a cleaner with vinegar. It's actually a very good deodorizer. Vinegar, acetic acid, so it's a very strong disinfectant. So those work very well together. Also, your salt can be used as I mentioned earlier, your salt can be used as a squirter, as we use for Ajax. Put that with a little bit of water, scrub, same thing as Ajax. Your lemon juice, great alternative to bleach, so you don't have to use bleach. Stain disinfectant, or stain fighter, disinfectant, and a great alternative to bleach. So everything you'd use this for, you can use lemon juice for. Same thing with vinegar. You can use it as an alternative to bleach. Now the borax, like I don't have represented here, but you can also use that with vinegar and create an excellent disinfectant. Now, with all these that I have here, like I said, water, mix them however you see fit, and clean them however you see fit on your toilet, on your glass. It's not going to do any damage. You can add, for fragrance, the essential oil. The essential oil is an awesome disinfectant, just as great as the bleach. Yet again, if you're going to disinfect something, 4 or 5 drops of a little disinfectant of essential oil, and you've got the same thing as bleach. Now, I hope I have introduced you to a different world of cleaning and educated you a little bit on the toxic chemicals that are found in our household cleaners, and maybe you can go home and whip you up a batch of something nice and friendly and healthy for you. Thank you very much.